Hello, dear one. Today, we're walking together through the shadowy valleys of self-doubt and pain. If you're here, it's because you've felt the sting of rejection, the ache of failure, and the weight of self-worth slipping through your fingers. These moments are like a storm that ravages our hearts, leaving us feeling exposed and vulnerable. But know this, within every storm, there is a strength, a force that can either break us or rebuild us. And today, we will choose to rebuild. We will allow ourselves to feel, to cry, to grieve, and then we will rise. Rejection isn't just a word. It's a wound that cuts deep, often to the core of who we are. It tells us lies, whispers that we are not good enough, that we are unworthy of love, respect, or success. And these lies, they hurt. They seep into our souls, making us question everything. Take a moment to remember a time when you felt rejected. It could be in love, in your career, or by someone you trusted. Close your eyes and feel that pain. Let it wash over you. It's okay to cry, to let the tears fall, because in these tears there is healing. Every tear shed is a step closer to releasing the hurt that holds you back. Failure. It's a word that carries so much weight. It feels like the world is closing in on us, like the dreams we once held dear have shattered into 1,000 pieces. We replay the moments in our minds, wondering what we could have done differently, how we could have been better, stronger, smarter. But what if I told you that failure isn't the end? What if I told you that in the ashes of failure, there is the seed of something new, something beautiful? You see, failure is not a reflection of your worth. It's a reflection of your courage to try, to risk, to dream. So let's embrace it, not as a final destination, but as a necessary part of the journey. Think back to a time when you felt you had failed. Hold on to that memory. Now, ask yourself, what did I learn from this? How did this failure shape me? And most importantly, how can I use this experience to build something new? You are not your failures. You are the sum of your resilience. Vulnerability is not weakness. It's the bravest thing we can do. To open up, to expose our wounds, and to say, here I am in all my brokenness, takes immense strength. And it's in this raw, honest place that true healing begins. When we allow ourselves to be vulnerable, we invite others in. We allow the possibility of connection, of support, of love. And we begin to see that we are not alone in our struggles. There is a community of souls, just like you, who have felt the same pain, the same doubt. Together, we can heal. Take a deep breath and think about someone you trust. Someone who has always been there for you. Imagine yourself opening up to them, sharing your fears, your failures, your pain. See their reaction, kindness, understanding, love. Feel the weight lift from your shoulders as you allow yourself to be seen, truly seen. There comes a moment in every journey where we must choose to rise, to stand up, even when our legs are shaking, even when our hearts are heavy. This is the moment of transformation. It's when the tears dry and the embers of our spirit begin to burn bright once more. You have that power within you, the power to rise from the ashes of your past, to rebuild what was lost, and to create a new path forward. It won't be easy, and there will be moments where you stumble, but every step forward is a victory. Every small achievement is proof that you are capable, that you are strong, that you are enough. Stand up right now if you can. Feel the ground beneath your feet. This is your moment. This is the moment where you choose to rise, to reclaim your power, to take control of your story. Say it out loud. I will rise, I will rebuild. I am worthy of all the good that is coming to me. I will rise, I will rebuild. I am worthy of all the good that is coming to me. I will rise, I will rebuild. I am worthy of all the good that is coming to me. Feel that energy, that fire within you. Let it propel you forward. Deep within you, there is a light that cannot be extinguished by failure, rejection, or pain. It may have dimmed, but it's still there, waiting to shine brightly once more. This light is your essence, your spirit, your true self. It's the part of you that is unbreakable, unshakable. In this final part of our journey, let's reconnect with that light. Let's allow it to fill us with warmth, with hope, with the knowledge that no matter what happens, we will always have this inner strength to guide us through the darkest of times. Close your eyes and imagine a light within your chest, small at first, but growing brighter with every breath. Feel it expanding, filling your entire being with warmth, with love, with power. This is your light. It has always been there, and it always will be. Let it guide you. Let it heal you. Let it remind you of who you truly are. As we close this chapter, I want you to remember, you are not your setbacks. You are not your failures. You are the strength that rises from them. You are the light that shines through the darkness. You are the warrior who, even when brought to their knees, finds the strength to stand once more. Let's end with some powerful affirmations. Speak them with conviction. Feel them in your soul. I am stronger than my struggles. I am worthy of love, respect, and success. My past does not define me. I define my future. I will rise again and again, no matter how many times I fall. Take these words with you as you continue your journey. Let them be your shield, your sword, your guiding star. Thank you for being here with me today. You are not alone, and you are more powerful than you realize. Until next time, stand tall and keep shining.